Hi guys, today I bought a new iPhone 15 Pro 256 GB. This is my new iPhone. I have put for the camera glass one. I missed one, so this is just a glass. That's why the back card here. Tomorrow I will change this all. Don't mind it. So first, this is my iPhone 15 and this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 GB. I want to transfer this data to here 15. Okay, so this is the first look when the phone is on. Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer iPhone data to your new phone. This is my old 14 Pro Max and this is my new 15 Pro Max. Okay guys, so I will show you how to transfer data from this mobile to here in the simple step. So you have to turn on. This is your first screen. You show select the language. I select English and select the country. I select United States and continue. Okay guys, I will unlock my iPhone here 14. Just wait, you will get like this pop-up automatically. I didn't do anything. It will show nearby device. So this is a nearby device here, so it will show continue connecting. Okay, now you have to scan this one from your old mobile like this. Okay, keep it. Okay, set up for me. You have to enter your old iPhone pin code. So now my mobile is activating, my new mobile. Just wait for a while. You can back up your old iPhone to your PC and restore also. That process also you can do. If you don't have PC, this is the easiest method. Okay guys, select continue. Face ID I will set up later. Transfer data from MSN iPhone. Continue. Agree. The terms and condition agree. Okay, continue. Only download automatically I will select. iMessage first time. Continue. Location service, enable location service. Okay. Continue. There's an update 17.1. I don't want to do now. I don't know. I cannot skip this one. Emergency SOS. It's showing update now. I think it's required to update. So that's why it's showing update now. So it will take some time guys. You have to download. So it will take time. I will come back once it's completed. Okay guys, 17.1 new update updated. Mobile restarted, then came to this screen. Before this one there was a screen reconnecting, then this screen came prepared to transfer. This is what. So I think it's preparing for the transfer data, the application, everything, WhatsApp, all my applications, it will emails, so it will transfer. So it may take some time guys. If any changes comes, I will continue. Okay guys, this is what now came. So I can see time remaining estimating is calculating the time, how many minutes or hours will take. So this is what I can see now guys. So it's very easy process for transfer from old iPhone to new iPhone. You don't want any PC, anything. You just need your both mobile nearby you. That's it guys. So this is a process. It will take some time, I think so. So once this is completed, okay guys, it is like showing like now 16, 17, 20, half an hour, like 23 minutes. So it may increase depending on my data. So guys, I will continue the video once this is completed, guys. Okay, guys, just wait for a while. Okay, guys, now I can see it's 1 minute only left, so let's wait just 1 minute, so the setup will complete. I think the phone got restarted. Yeah, transfer completed. The iPhone 15 got restarted automatically. I can see in the 14 Pro Max, transfer completed. Your data has been transferred to your other iPhone. It's booting, I think. Okay, I got the welcome screen. I put my PIN number. Okay, restore completed. Continue. Face ID setup later. Apple password. So I need to put my iCloud password. So let me put my iCloud password. Okay guys, I put my iCloud password. Then this is the setup. It's sign in to iCloud. So once I continue, it will say in my old phone, I can erase my old data, everything. So I will not erase right now. Let me check everything whether transferred or no. If everything confirmed, then I will erase my data from my old phone. I can see settings are transferred because when I turn on iPhone, I didn't have a battery percentage. Now I can see its battery percentage came. It means the settings are transferred. So I don't want Siri. I will just not now. Silent mode, continue. So action button, not now. I don't want now. Okay, welcome to iPhone. Okay, I think not now. I will not erase. So I think enter password for my email address. Okay, use this iPhone when you share in location. Okay, use this one. I can see I will enter later my email password. I can see, you can see now exactly similar setup. The contacts, FaceTime, the camera, photo, settings, email, all are here. The YouTube, WhatsApp Messenger are downloading. My WhatsApp, all are downloading. You can see here right now it's downloading. So the setup is similar. Everything is coming now. If you go here, same applications are here. Everything same. I mean, my phone is same. It's exactly like iPhone 14, which here. So the important thing is WhatsApp. I think yes, the WhatsApp also here. Your number is no longer registered with WhatsApp. Okay, because same number you cannot use in the two mobiles. So I have to verify here. So it will sign out from here. So verify. I can continue. Use different number. This is not the number. So I will set up my WhatsApp later. That's it, guys. You can go to settings. You can see my iCloud, everything signed in. I think all the settings, Wi-Fi settings. I want to check whether my SIM card, I need to transfer my eSIM to this one. I will show you how to transfer now. Go to cellular. Okay, I want to transfer this eSIM to my new mobile. So okay, choose a number. Transfer nearby. Okay, you can I will show you again. In your new mobile, you can go to cellular, set up a cellular. Only number got transferred, but the details did not come. Okay, choose a mobile phone number. So I'll choose this number. Doesn't work. So what are your other option? Transfer from nearby iPhone. Go to here. You will see this pop up. Continue. So code will show here. Verification code. Okay guys, I checked my photos, everything transferred. I cannot open because this is my personal photos. Everything transferred to my new mobile. There's nothing missed. Everything same. You can see my notification, my messenger, everything done, transferred. So I need